The AlexT is a popular firewood processor known for its efficiency and versatility. It's designed to process logs into firewood lengths, and in some models, even split the wood. Logs are fed into the machine, often manually or with the aid of a log loader. The processor measures the log and then cuts it to the desired length using a powerful saw unit. Some AlexT models include a splitting mechanism, which splits the cut logs into smaller pieces for easier handling and burning. The processed wood is then conveyed away from the machine for stacking or further processing. The AlexT offers versatility, handling a range of log sizes and often customizable with options like splitting attachments. It also provides efficiency, processing wood quickly and efficiently, increasing productivity. The processor incorporates safety features to protect the operator, such as emergency stop buttons and guards. The AlexT is widely used in various settings, including homeowners processing firewood for personal use, small-scale businesses producing firewood for sale, and forestry operations processing timber for various purposes. A 2.8-ton mini excavator paired with a black splitter, cone splitter attachment is a versatile tool for various tasks, particularly in forestry and land clearing. The mini excavator provides the power and maneuverability for the entire operation, powering the splitter attachment through its hydraulic system. The black splitter attachment efficiently splits logs and other woody material. It typically features a powerful hydraulic cylinder that drives a hardened steel cone into the wood, splitting it along the grain. The excavator positions the log or branch, the operator activates the splitter's hydraulics, and the cone forcefully penetrates the wood, splitting it into smaller pieces. The excavator then repositions the split pieces as needed. This combination offers several benefits. The mini excavator's versatility extends beyond splitting, encompassing digging, grading, and material handling. Its compact size allows it to access tight spaces and work in confined areas. The combination of the excavator and the powerful splitter attachment enables efficient and productive wood splitting. Furthermore, it significantly reduces the physical labor involved in splitting wood by hand. A homemade firewood processor can be significantly enhanced by incorporating several modifications. A larger hydraulic reservoir provides a greater volume of fluid, reducing pressure fluctuations and ensuring consistent hydraulic power delivery. This allows for longer continuous operation without overheating the hydraulic fluid. A hydraulic cooler helps maintain optimal fluid temperature. Overheated fluid can lead to reduced performance and component wear. The cooler prevents excessive fluid temperatures, ensuring consistent and reliable operation, especially during prolonged use. A grizzly bar chute extension increases the length of the chute after the grizzly bars, allowing for better separation of fines from larger pieces. This improves overall efficiency and reduces waste. A winch can significantly improve log handling. It can be used to pull logs onto the processing platform, making it easier to load larger or heavier logs. This reduces manual labor and improves safety. These modifications work together to create a more efficient and productive firewood processor. The larger reservoir and cooler ensure consistent hydraulic performance. The grizzly bar chute extension improves material separation, and the winch facilitates log handling. The Wood Miser industrial sawmill line is a comprehensive system designed for efficient and profitable wood processing. This integrated system combines various machines to transform logs into valuable lumber products. The process typically begins with log handling equipment, such as log decks and conveyors, which transport logs to the primary saw. The primary saw, often a large capacity bandsaw, cuts the log into slabs or cants, the initial large pieces of lumber. Resaws are then used to further process these slabs or cants into thinner boards. Edgars trim the rough edges of the sawn boards, creating more uniform and visually appealing lumber. Conveyor systems and sorting tables separate boards based on grade, thickness, and other criteria. Stackers then arrange the sorted lumber into neat piles for drying or further processing. Wood Miser industrial sawmill lines offer several key benefits. The integrated design and automation significantly improve productivity and reduce labor costs. Wood Miser offers a wide range of components and configurations, allowing for customization to specific production needs. The use of thin kerf blades and optimized cutting patterns minimizes waste and maximizes lumber yield. Efficient wood utilization and reduced waste also contribute to a more sustainable forestry practice. Overall, Wood Miser industrial sawmill lines provide a comprehensive solution for sawmills seeking to increase efficiency, improve product quality, and enhance profitability.